Hey guys, this is Joby from ARE Services. Just thought I'd give you a few tips to keep your bills a bit down for winter. We're just going to start with a few basic ones, just like making sure your filters are clean. Righto, so just to get your filters out, I'm just going to pop that up. Just going to take out your filters. This is the coil behind, this is what your filters protect. If you've never had this cleaned, you should really get it cleaned probably at least once a year, because you won't be able to do that. Right, we're just going to take these outside. We're going to show you how to hose them out and then get them back in. Okay, right, the dust settles on this side of the filter, so we're going to hose them back through. Give them a good shake to get all the excess water off. You don't have to have them totally dry to put them back in. They'll soon dry out anyway when the unit's on heating mode. So that's it. So cleaning those filters will make it a lot more efficient over the winter period. Okay, thanks for listening. See ya.